So we love getting our vehicles dirty. It sure is a pain keeping them clean. And even though we've got vinyl flooring in this LSM dmax, we still have to clean at the end of the day. And as you can see, these boots, brand new, but they're still filthy. So what do? Well, you need a set of floor mats. So we spoke to our friends at TruFit Carpet, and they set out a set of 3D mats manufactured by Maxtrac. Not Maxtrac, don't be confused with that, it's a different company. So the guys at TruFit sent out some front and rear ones, and I'm going to show you just how easy they are to install. Well, here they are. Now it's a big box, but don't be put off by that, there's nothing to it really. There's not even any packaging inside. So let's open up this bad boy. So what have we got? These are the front ones. This is the back one. Get rid of that, I'll pick that up later. So what can you see? Well, they're molded, which is awesome. So they should be a straight drop-in fit. They also have this sort of felty-like material on the back, but it's thicker, sort of more grippy, I suppose is what you'd say. Now this grippy material stops them from sliding around. If you've ever had cheap floor mats, you know, they always sort of move around, get under your foot, they're super annoying. These aren't going to do that. They're also lipped, you can see there. So that's going to trap any sand or mud or ice cream from the Macca's drive-thru, things like that. No problems at all. So let's just grab the awesome 3D floor mat. And it's that simple, guys. Now look at that, it doesn't move around. It fits in absolutely perfectly. It's definitely been made for the vehicle. And it's got these wonderful lips. So it's going to trap any sand or dirt or mud. Make it really easy to clean up. What a cool idea. Well, there you have it. I've just ripped out the front one again because it took all of 3 seconds. And you can see, after a day on the tracks, just how much dirt and rocks and stuff is collected. And a quick wipe down, it's brand new. Nothing wrong with that at all. These are a wonderful product and they're really going to save you money in the long run. Now speaking of money, the front and rear to suit this vehicle, the Isuzu dmax, and I'm assuming many others, you're looking at 279 bucks. That's cheap as chips. Now I'll just pop this one back in, show you again just how simple that is after we've given it a quick dust off. Open the door. Pop it in place. It's not rocket science, people.